Hi, I'm Spiro from Autotech. Today we've got an R35 GTR Skyline. We've just conducted a power run. As you can see here, it produced 286 kilowatts basically at all four wheels. That's standard power level for one of these. This car is a standard GTR R35. Basically what it's in for is a little bit of exhaust work. We're going to remove the midsection of the exhaust and put a high flow, we're going to custom make a high flow section for it, and then we're going to custom tune it using genuine ECUTEK software. So we'll go ahead, get the exhaust done, we'll come back and see what we can extract. I'd be hoping to see at least 350 out of it to 360 around there, and we'll see how we go. Okay, there we go. We've just fitted the custom-made centre section to the exhaust system on the R35, and these are basically the results we've achieved. And as you can see here, this is a before run, 286, and as you can see here, we've had a great increase in power by doing the midsection and custom tuning this vehicle using genuine ECUTEK software. It's picked up roughly 70 to 74 kilowatts at the wheels. Not only has it had a good increase in power, as you can see there, but as you can see, these two lines are before and after. This is a torque before the tune and the mid-pipe, and this is a torque after the tune and mid-pipe. So this car should feel sensational to drive. So if you've got an R35 GTR or even a 370Z or 350Z, whatever Nissan you may have, give us a call here at Autotech Engineering and see what we can do for your car.